Intel's Arc mobile GPUs won't hit the US market until summer, but they're already available in select laptops in China. According to Tom's Hardware, in the new reviewer's guide, Intel claims that their A770M and A730M mobile GPUs are faster than Nvidia's RTX 3060 and 3050 Ti mobile respectively. As you can see from these benchmarks, Intel is comparing the A730M to the RTX 3050 Ti mobile and the Arc A770M to the RTX 3060 mobile. In most cases, Arc GPUs beat out the comparative Nvidia GPUs. Furthermore, Intel states that Arc A730M was up to 13% faster than the RTX 3050 Ti mobile, and the flagship A770M delivered up to 12% higher gaming performance than the RTX 3060 mobile. However, there is a massive caveat to consider. Both of the CPUs used in the Nvidia systems were older compared to the ones used in Intel. For example, the A730M was paired with a 14-core Alder Lake 8 CPU and 16GB of DDR5 4800MHz memory. The RTX 3050 Ti, on the other hand, was equipped with the previous octa-core Tiger Lake CPU and 16GB of DDR4 3200MHz memory. Additionally, the TGP of RTX 3050 Ti was set to 60 watts, and Intel did not mention the wattage of the A730M. From the specs, we know that it switches in between 80 watts and 120 watts. Aside from that, there's even a more notorious difference between the high-end A770M and RTX 3060 mobile machines. Intel's pre-production laptop was paired with the flagship 14-core i9 Alder Lake CPU and 16GB of DDR5 4800MHz memory. The RTX 3060, in contrast, was equipped with nearly the same hardware as the RTX 3050 Ti machine. The only difference is in the TGP, which was fixed at 85 watt. Intel again did not disclose the TGP of A770M, but we all know that it wiggles between 120 to 150 watts. So it's pretty clear that Intel literally compared their GPUs to an objectively worse system. Overall, it's great to see that Intel might be able to deliver RTX 3060 mobile level performance on its upcoming mobile GPUs. However, the numbers they're providing are misleading. Therefore, it's always best to wait for third-party reviews. That's what's really bad about this, is Intel was trying to influence the reviewers with these deceptive numbers. So, that was all about the Arc A770M versus RTX 3060 mobile. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.